Hello everyone, and magandang araw as they say here in the Philippines. Today was the first day I took a bus to Santa Cruz, Zambales, which was near the border with Pangasinan. Here was the beginning of my journey. I saw some bizarre things like this mango tree which was covered with paper for some reason. And this is in the border between Zambales and Ilocandia. I took some buko juice for health. Then I passed through a very poor fisherman's village, but it was very nice. And I befriended some local kids. Also, I saw some of the famous salt beds. Pangasinan means salt bed in their language. Then I stumbled onto a beautiful beach, one of the most beautiful beaches I ever seen in my life. Really, nothing was lacking. Then I eat some grilled chicken, and it was really good. Really, no complaints. An amazing first day. Tapos na. Magandang araw po kayo, ang malabosing. Ngayon, ang first day na maglakad ang Ilocos, Region 1. Ngayon, punta ako sa Santa Cruz, Zambales. Mas maganda dyan, pero wala. Okay lang. Okay lang naman. Tapos may tree ng mango, may paper. Di ko alam bakit. Alam mo ba? Tapos magandang ilog sa border ng Pangasinan at Zambales. Tapos buko juice. Mas masarap. Tapos sa fisherman's barangay. Tapos mas mahirap. Tapos maraming ng bisyo dyan. At salt beds na yun sa Pangasinan. Tapos ang pananatan ng Pangasinan after ang salt beds. Tapos sa dagat, mas maganda ang dagat dyan. Puting beach, lahat. At mangginasal. No, hindi mangginasal, pero ganon. Mas masarap talaga. At mura. Tapos magandang araw na yan.